If you're a Shopify developer and you want to learn how to make more money, this is the video for you. I have a lot of strong opinions on this topic, so let's get into it. Now, before you start questioning, who the heck is this guy trying to tell me how to make more money? I'm gonna tell you who I am right now. So I am a Shopify Plus developer. I've been working on Shopify for the past 3 years, and I've been working with this Shopify Plus company in the food and beverage industry. So your boy has been around the block a little bit. I've seen a few things, met lots of other developers, and this is where my perspective is coming from. When it comes to making more money as a Shopify developer, I think there's really only 2 ways to go about this. 2 ways. And both ways revolve around the idea of helping your client or whatever company you work for make more money. You want to be able to tie your work to the bottom line. So I think there's only 2 ways you can do that as a Shopify developer. Now this assumes that, like me, you started out as a Shopify theme developer. I think most of the people that work on Shopify are Shopify theme developers. So if you're a Shopify theme developer, there's 2 ways you can go about this. The first way is you can learn marketing. A lot of clients you might have, a lot of businesses you might be working with, one of the biggest problems that they have and will continue to have is marketing, because no one's gonna see that beautiful Shopify theme that you made for them if no one knows the store exists. If they're not getting traffic, if they're not getting repeat customers to come back and buy again and again, marketing is very important. And if you're the kind of person that could see yourself doing marketing, honestly, you might even get paid more than some developers out here. Like if you learn how to run ads, you learn how to create lead magnets, build funnels, do email marketing for your clients or for the company you work for, like there's a lot of money in that. I am not a marketing person. I don't mind doing marketing as long as it's for me. I'm not trying to offer marketing as a service to people. But if you're the kind of person that could offer that service to your clients on top of the theme development stuff, you will be insanely valuable. So that's the first thing you can do to make more money. The second thing you can do, and this is the approach that I'm taking, or that I've taken and I'm continuing to take, is you can learn how to solve more complicated problems. So as a developer, you get paid in relation to the kind of problems you can solve. If you can solve a really annoying problem on a Shopify store, if you can automate some kind of business process or connect their data to a certain platform that they need to do X, Y, and Z, you can be very valuable. Like for example, I know a company right now that all they do is they work on connecting Shopify stores to different ERP systems and systems to help them maintain their inventory, like to track their inventory between 2 different systems. So imagine a Shopify store has a customer buy something, the inventory for that product changes, that data gets sent to a specific platform that's connected to it with the Shopify API, and it makes sure that the inventory in that platform and the inventory in the Shopify store are synced together. That kind of stuff you can get paid a lot to do if you find problems with the way someone's doing it. And yeah, that's what I mean when I say a higher leveraged problem. Or maybe you find some other kind of business like workflow or operation the Shopify store does to do something, and you figure out how to automate it. That can be insanely valuable. That's the approach that I'm taking, because stuff like that involves back-end development and Shopify app development, and that's the kind of stuff that's interesting to me now. So that's the direction that I'm going in. Pretty much, like I said, only 2 ways to make more money as a Shopify developer. Either you learn marketing and you package your theme development skills and marketing together as a service for your client, or on top of the theme development stuff, you get into app development and you learn how to solve bigger problems that regular theme development can't solve by itself. So that is my official opinion on learning how to make more money as a Shopify developer. And if you stuck around this long, I got a bonus tip for you that's gonna help you out. So one thing that I know for sure that will make more money for you and will open new opportunities for you, and I know this because it's opened lots of opportunities for me, is learning how to be more social. So a lot of developers have this perspective about them that they're these nerdy, anime-loving, don't go outside guys that just sit in front of their computer and don't talk to anybody. Now, I'm sure that those guys are definitely out there. If you're one of them watching this video, you want to learn how to be more social, okay? It's very true that people that exhibit more extroverted traits, they tend to have more opportunities presented to them. It's very, very true. You might be thinking, hey, I'm an introvert, Patrick. I can't do that stuff. Yes, you can, because I'm an introvert, and no one believes me when I tell them that, because I've learned how to be an extrovert by reading books about how to talk to people and actually going outside and practicing and tracking my performance with that. So my bonus tip for all you guys to help you make more money and establish better business relationships is to close the computer sometimes, go outside and go meet some people in your industry or just people in general. Like for me, I live in New York, I go to Manhattan, I'll meet a lot of people and doors will be opened. You never know who you might meet when you go outside. So that is my bonus tip for you. If you enjoyed this video, check out my most recent upload. I think you're gonna like it. And yeah, I can't wait to see you on the next video. Bye.